Alright, here's a tip for you. You got a graph, but you get noise on your graph. So, you got your power cable, and you've hooked it up. But this is a 3-conductor wire, right? So really what you should do, I'm going to cut it off so it's clean. I'll take my knife, and instead of trying to cut this way, cut a piece off, I'm just going to cut it down. Smartly. This is a good way because then you won't get into the wire. The other way you definitely get into the wire. It should start to peel back. If it doesn't, just keep going real slow. But eventually you get it to break. It's okay because see, there's a shield. Right? It should break more. Alright, so you got your shield. But it's okay if I mess this up a little bit. Because I'm only going to come back to... I'm going to go back a little more. There we go. So we got that exposed. So I'm just going to take a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut it off. If you're worried about it, take a piece of black electrical tape. You don't need much. You put on the end. You could shrink wrap it too, but I'm not too worried about it. Then what you want to do is you got this twisted pair, right? It's a ground wire. It gets rid of interference because it's wound. So what we do, take my old, and these are pretty small. But we're just going to take these two wires and we're going to have them together. So, how does that work? Well, there's a signal, like a noise. 60 cycle means like whatever it is, 20, 40, I don't know. Because it's twisted, the waveform has to go up, right? And then because it's twisted, then the bottom, it's now out of phase. So that cancels it out. And then I'm just going to hook this up to my power source. So now I've got black, it's tied to here, and I've got red that's tied to here. So I'll just tie hot to hot and ground to ground. I got to go get some butt connectors though. So I'll put some sealed butt connectors on it. It's kind of like this guy right there. Well, I'm out of those, so I'm gonna have to go get some. It's fine because I need to find a way to mount my hydrowave, so my hydrowave will power. We'll do the same thing, This one is only 2 conductor. So we're going to tie those to this power as well. I do have some yellow ones, but I think they're too big. I could check them and see. Let's make these the same length. And these are super tiny. I mean, they're really tiny, yep. I did that all wrong anyway. I got a smaller pair of dikes somewhere. There we go. Well, anyway, some things don't go right. These are really tiny. It doesn't really fit my other pair. So, I mean, I could try these. Now it's kind of sharp, but that worked a little better. See what I mean? It just don't know. I'm gonna play nice. Who knows what that wire is? So yeah, I don't even know if I got enough. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make this really like this. So I'm gonna have to cut that back, you know. Maybe it'll work. Here's my tape. He's just cutting away over there. Put the old heat shrink gun to it. Let it get getting hot. Get all the air out of it. All right. Step it back down in the hole. Move that much. I am going to tape this though. Figure out what happened with tape.